Grade 6, Subject Physics, Lesson Motion and Measurement of Distances, Module 1. Objectives. At the end of this module, you will be able to define motion, to list the modes of transport, to measure distances. Dear children, here you can see some objects in motion. What is motion? Motion is when an object changes position. How do you know that the race car moved? It changed its position on the track. Story of transport. How do we move? We move from one place to another by walking. If we want to move over long distances, we use different modes of transport. In ancient times, people used to move only on foots. They used to carry goods on their backs or used animals. Transportation on water was by simple logs of woods. Later, people knew how to construct boats. Invention of wheels brought a large change in the modes of transport. Vehicles with wheels were pulled by animals. Invention of steam engine introduced new source of power. Later, automobiles, motorized boat and ships were used. Slowly, aeroplanes were used to fly in the sky. Now, electric trains, monorail, supersonic aeroplanes and spacecraft are using. So the modes of transports are animals, wheeled carts, boats and aerospace. How did people know how far they have traveled? Also, how long is this room? How wide is this desk? How far it from Delhi to Lucknow? How far away is the moon from the earth? How tall you are? There are so many occasions when we come across a need to measure lengths and distances. This is done by using a term called measurement. Measurement. Measurement means comparing an unknown quantity with a known quantity. For measuring the length of any object, we need to choose an appropriate device so as to get accurate results. For example, the tailor needs to measure the length of the cloth to know if it is enough to stitch a kurta. A carpenter needs to measure the height and width of a cupboard to know how much wood he would need to make its door. Therefore, some standard units of measurements are needed. We can discuss more about measurements in the next class. Thank you.